Good morning, guys. It is now almost 7 o'clock, and I'm going to prepare my breakfast, my meal. Yeah. So this is going to be just the usual. This tuna, this is the last piece. This is just 99 cents in Woolworth. This is the home brand of Woolworth. It is just going to be this water, tomato paste, some tomato, and this noodles, rice noodles. I put here rice noodles, ice cream container. Let it boil and ready. I'm actually watching the 8 Miles Away from Home.
You should go back to your house and like
Yeah,
just
this
don't
couple,
hang around longer than
this
you need
family.
to, because we need to keep the island safe, basically. No forced measures or anything. I guess they're just.
I'm watching them. So basically, they are a traveler. I'm also watching the video of Juicy Blog, Making It Happen, and the other foreigners who are still in the Philippines, who choose to stay in the Philippines, who are trapped in the Philippines during this pandemic. And it seems like they like it there, and because there are worse cases in Europe than in the Philippines. But I have the feeling that in the Philippines it's just going to be worse, because I don't know, I just have that feeling. I don't know, I hope not. This is the last tomato paste. Put some of these chicken cubes, some pepper, then we just let it boil and adjust the taste later. Yeah, we're going to keep on working here. Let's also put some of this seafood. I have this mix. Yeah, good. But I still need to add some seasoning. I'm going to put some of this fish sauce. Put some of this frozen green peas. I don't have rice. I thought I didn't check. It's alright. Yo, good morning, guys. Yeah. 7 o'clock, 5 minutes. I'm already preparing my coffee. It's cold today. I mean, even in the previous day it was already cold. Not very cold, but wearing something like this will make you comfortable. It is noisy. People are using their lawn mower. Yeah, I'm going to have my breakfast. I'm reheating the rice, and I have this sausage, chipolata sausage. I don't know if this one is good, but yeah, I want to try this because last time when me and Nigo and Kurt went to the picnic, and they cooked the sausage and they like it. Yeah, that's why I'm going to try. 5 pieces. I don't know how long it is going to be cooked, but at work I usually cook the sausage in 10 minutes in the oven, 180 degrees. Yeah, I don't want to use the oven. No, just use this one. Yeah, it's cooked already. It's actually good. Yeah, I just can taste that there's a lot of oil in here.
Page or lead magnet page where we give them something information. Then once you capture.
Yo, good morning, guys. Yeah, my hair is quite long now. It is now 7:15. I wake up at 5:30. I already had the coffee, and now I am reheating this. This rice leftover, as you can see, it's very less. That's why I put water. Yeah, there's water. A lot of water. I'm going to make arroz caldo. I just washed this egg and I'm going to put it inside. Okay, now I have the onion, garlic, and the bacon. And I'm going to put this inside here. And this is my breakfast today. Good morning, guys. Good day today. The sun, there is the sun. Yesterday was raining a little bit. Yeah. I wasn't able to put this in the post office. I'm supposed to drop that in the red box, red post office box, but it was a little rainy. It's actually a t-shirt, you know, the nice Abrodero t-shirt. That's the one I'm going to send to one of my colleague before in Sydney. No, to my friend in Sydney. She's now in Newcastle. She wants to have that nice Abrodero t-shirt. That's the last one. That's the last t-shirt. So yeah, I cannot send you anymore. I'm preparing my breakfast. Will be a sausage and now heating the rice. I'm having this banana I have here. You know, this bed is really good, very comfortable, and it's wide. Yeah, nice. Guys, you know, when I was very young, we are sleeping in the wood. Yeah, we just have a sleeping mat, which is also hard, not very comfortable like this. Yeah, and until now. Yeah, most people, they're sleeping in an uncomfortable sleeping mat. In case you don't know, I'm wearing this because the temperature is less than 20 degrees. Yeah, I'm going to look at that. I need to wash that. The sausage has a lot of oil, as you can see. Yeah, I'm going to do a banana shake. Just now I realized that I have this yogurt. Because I don't have any milk. If you remember the frozen milk that I have here, yeah, I chuck it away. Yeah, but it's good. I'm going to put that in the post office box, the red one, later on. And then I'm going to buy a coffee. Because look at that. That's the only coffee I have, but Actually, I'm going to use this one. This is coming from my stay in Dubai. And do you know that this one is milk? Yeah, in a sachet. Yeah, so I'm going to use this. I don't know why I'm getting this advertisement. It's Italian or Spanish?
Te enseñaré nuevas formas de pensar las imágenes.